Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to do a lesson on maths. Now we have done addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now profit is selling price minus cost price. Okay. Profit, what is the meaning of profit? Something is in profit. Okay. Now in maths the meaning of profit is when you sell something and the cost price, the selling price is less, the selling price is more than the cost price. Now I'll tell you what it is. Suppose I bought some thing for 40 rupees, let's say 20 rupees. Okay, I've bought a particular thing for 20 rupees, that is the cost price. Anything, any you can take anything, and I'm selling it for suppose 30 rupees, the selling price. So what is my profit? 10 rupees profit, right? So this is the profit. Loss, now suppose I've bought this, suppose I've bought a pen for 20 rupees. I wanted to sell it for 30 rupees, but what happened? People said no, we will buy it only for 10 rupees. So 20 rupees I bought, okay, my other pen, and I wanted to sell for 30 rupees, but people said no, it is not very good or something like that, and I had to sell for 10 rupees. So I went into loss. Why? Because 20 minus 10, I went into loss of rupees 10. Do you understand? So this is what loss means, when you sell something for less than the cost price. Okay, then you go into loss. But when selling price is more than the cost price, then it goes into profit. Like when I buy something for 20 rupees and then I sell it for 30, I get 10 rupees profit. Okay, this is how you will calculate profit and loss in maths. What is simple interest? Simple interest is interest. Now what is interest? First of all, you must have got interest when you put money in the bank. You must, they say this is the interest we give every month or every year. It can be 2%, 3%, okay, in your in every year, or maybe every month for some of the deposit money. Okay, they say we are giving you interest. Now what is interest? Principal into rate of interest into time. Principal amount, what is the amount you have invested? Suppose 20,000 you have invested. Rate of interest, this is the interest given by the bank or given by anybody who's giving you the rate of interest. Suppose 2%, okay, into the time. Time is what? The number of days you have kept, like for example 2 months, 3 months, 30 days, 60 days. Okay, this is how you will calculate the simple interest. The same thing with compound interest. Compound interest is coming as the A. Okay, you have to say it as A, that's the final amount. P 1 plus R by N, okay, NT. This is the formula of compound interest. A is the final amount, P is 1 plus R dash N, this is R, okay, NT. What is P? P is the principal amount. Again, the principal amount over here is 20,000. This is what I am depositing. 1 plus R. R is what? Rate of interest, same thing. Dash N, okay, N is what? Number of times interest applied per time period. Number of times interest applied per time period. So this is how, and this goes to NT. NT again, number of times interest applied per time period and number of time period elapsed. So this is the formula you have to put, okay, and you get the compound interest. So students, today we have learned profit, loss, simple interest, compound interest. Okay, I'll show you like this. Profit is selling price minus cost price. Loss is cost price minus selling price. Simple interest is principal into rate of interest into time, and compound interest is A, the final amount, P, that is 1 plus R dash N in T, and N is number of times interest applied per time period, number of time elapsed. So we have to understand these are basic. Now these are some of the things that are very important in maths, but as well as when you go to a bank you have to know these topics, and this is very useful. And also when you are selling something, buying something, you also should know about this. So students, if you've liked my session, you've understood my session, you can subscribe, you can leave a comment on the video itself. I also give Zoom classes which are chargeable. Okay, so till then, thank you so much. Bye bye.